Hi. So, I'm heading out to the gun range right now to shoot that Mosin and a couple other guns. But I decided that maybe I'll try to kill two birds with one stone. It's time for a little Suburban update. Um, as you may or may not know, I swapped out carburetors, and the carb that was on here that I kept saying was too lean. I ended up selling that thing on eBay. I don't need all these carburetors in my garage. So anyway, I swapped out the other Edelbrock with the electric choke and put it back to the original configuration, and it's so much better. So I got a couple of action cameras hooked onto the Suburban, and I'm going to I got the GoPro and the Contour. The Contour is facing forward, the GoPro is facing backwards, and we're going to take a little ride. We'll see how this turns out. But I got to pull the card out of this camera and put it in the GoPro because I don't have another SD card. So next time we talk, we'll be at the gun range. See ya. All right. How'd you like that acceleration? Nothing beats big block, right? So I found this laying on the ground, and I brought this milk here that is just tad expired, and I guess we'll see how big of a splash this makes. This is just kind of gonna be my pistol target, I think. So let me go set this up, and I'll get the gun loaded. Maybe I'll show you. Maybe if I'm any good, I can show you an exploding gallon of milk. Okay, bye. Alright, I got the target set up at 180 yards right now. I'm probably going to run out of battery life, so you won't be able to see it. But see if I can get the target in the viewfinder before. Where'd you go?